Here's how to check if your SSD is NVMe or SATA. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the Windows option of your laptop. After going to the Windows option of your laptop, go ahead and navigate yourself to the Task Manager options. Once you click on the Task Manager options, you'll be able to see there an option whereas you will see there the Task Manager. Now, on the top of the Task Manager, click on the Performance options. Once you click on the Performance options, you will be redirected on the page where you will see there the disk. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and click on this or go ahead and click on the memory options for you to see if your SSD is NVMe or SATA. Usually on this disk transfer rate, you will see there the status if it's NVMe or SATA. But if you can see it, it means that you're just using regular SSD.